What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? 5 o'clock, top of the morning. Birds are chirping 73 right now. Was 74. Yeah, it's not getting much older. You thought yesterday was record breaking? Yeah, today's going to be all-time shatter. It's supposed to be 110 in Seattle, 111 down here in Portland. Olympia's supposed to go 112. Portland's supposed to go 115 today. Yeah. We did hit triple digits yesterday. Seattle had 104. I don't exactly know what Tacoma had. I think they had over 100. I got 101 degrees in my weather station thermometer yesterday. 101. It'll be warmer than that. It'll be definitely warmer than that today. So I was checking the tube land, and Aaron dropped a video over half an hour. Man, what is up with calling aka Fat Booty Booty Tacos? I mean, my God, she's just hammering down on a guy. Yeah, she did a stream, you know. Yeah, she did a stream, you know, Vinny Martinez. That was kind of funny. But Aaron did that premiere. Yeah, Dank was in there talking some smack, and Fellowmon come in there. Oh yeah, and then he had to run his mouth about me, saying, "Oh, Dank, yeah, I seen it. Cox and his creepy buddy see him in, or his dogs here." Again, fellow, you don't know the definition term what doxy means. You might go look it up. And creepy? Nah, that would be you, fellow fail. Maybe you're being creepy to your kids. That's why your wife divorced your ass. Yeah. So what else is going on too, man? Around this age, you know, Stanley Cups playoff again today. Game 1, Montreal and Tampa Bay Lightning. I got Lightning in 5. Yeah. I think it's just gonna be hand down. I mean, it's been a good run for Montreal. First team. You know, they're trying to win their first Cups in '93, the first Canadian team. Yeah, but I think their manager's going to run out. Tampa Bay is just too good. I mean, they got one of the best power plays in the system. You got Stamkos and a few other players. I mean, they're just clicking on cylinders. They just want to get it done. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Atlanta Hawks and the Bucks played yesterday. Yeah, they actually was a close game. Then the Bucks run away. Trae Young dropped like something like that, but he injured his ankle, so I'm sure he'll probably get treatment and get ready for game 4 of that. I've always done. Yeah, that's one thing I like watching play out, especially in Atlanta. Watching Trae Young, that dude's sensational. Yeah, especially when it was game 1, he dropped 48. That was crazy. Sounder coming. What a perfect way to kick off this sunrise vlog with a sounder coming, baby. Yeah, we'll keep it rolling for a couple minutes. Oh yeah, the rest of the deck is history. Put some dirt down. Love to come in with some small bushes under there and press some grass. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah. Go get some fires later this week. Yeah. So anyways, yeah. I can't wait for the Stanley Cup Finals tonight, man. Game time tonight. Puck drops probably at 5 o'clock. Yeah, Barry Mills, he's got the Lightning 6. I say Lightning 5. Pesky crows. They're like the Philemon troll, yeah. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, it's basically these silicone LARPers. They're just double down. So, oh, hang on a second. sounder's still there. I've caught the sounder from South Tacoma way station a couple times. Here we go. Damn, you can really hear that from here. And this track's about 2 miles away. Anyways, let me get out of here. I thought, okay, that's done. I just wanted to hear the train sounds. I like that. So Salty had a panel last night. It was just a Sunday, you know, chit chat, hang with people, good time with friends. And Cole went on there on the 2-hour mark. And he went up there making all kinds of stupid remarks. I thought that dumbass was, I thought he was in jail on $25,000 bond. So, yeah, he beat some dude named Jason with a baseball bat and showed them recorded it. What a dumbass. Yeah, Paul Fullerton was covering that because he lives in Orange County. So Colton goes on panel, and I thought, wow, that fucker's actually free, man. That's crazy. So he goes on the panel and threatens Salty and said, he's saying, "Oh, I'm gonna find your wife and rape your wife." And like, whoa. So Colt Wood just doubled down stupid and making threats on Salty's wife. That's crazy. Yep. This is what happens when with these trolls and toofy fucktards. They get butthurt and they get triggered. They make threats. Like the tacos, the danks, the fellow-fails, the rumpa-dumpa batshit K NSC cat lady. Yep. Yep, the IQBs and GDs and no-sec little dicks. With that said, I'm out here. Mike Job. Peace out.